Imagine this, you are in a packed IPL stadium, you can't bring in food. But one brand found a crazy loophole and ended up winning the Oscars of advertising. Yup, it's called the Cannes Lions Award. It's the biggest prize in global advertising. And in 2025, an Indian brand took it home. It wasn't a tech giant or a fashion label. The company's name was 2Yum. The problem was that you are not allowed to carry snacks inside IPL stadium. So 2Yum and a creative agency named FCB Connect said, what if the banner that you wave can be your snack? They created giant edible cheer signs with match slogans printed on it with edible ink. Fans waved them during over and ate them during breaks. The ink disappeared, but one thing stayed, that was 2Yum's logo. It wasn't just smart, it was pure Desi Jugaad. That campaign was called 2Yum to Cheer, won a silver at Cannes Lions 2025 in brand experience and activation category. All without crores in budget, just one powerful cultural idea. Great marketing doesn't interrupt culture but becomes a part of it. Would you eat your cheer sign in the next IPL? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more marketing videos like this. Meet you tomorrow.